What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the review of this tabletop backdrop. So basically you can use on your tabletop to give you some backdrop for your photography. If you're videoing product, if you're taking photos of product and those things, this is one of the backdrop guys that I basically get on Amazon. As you guys can see right here, we have the tripod that come inside as well. So I'm going to give you guys a basic review of this, show you guys basically how it looks. And the tripod right here, I'm gonna show you guys basically how to set it up and those things. So in the package we have the tripod right here, as you can see. So we can extend it out like this. We can open the legs. So as you can see right here, we can extend this out, and we can extend this part right out as well to get it taller if we want. So this is how it look, the foot right here. Now in the package as well we have this crossbar right here. We're gonna go on top, which gonna put our backdrop for photo of any product. So we're gonna pull out this part right here, and this part can go on. Also in the package we have these two clamps that are gonna clamp down these paper. I'm gonna give you guys a full review of this, later on, so stick around for that. Also in the package we have a carrying bag right here, which we can use to carry around this anywhere we are going. We have a little string right there on it, which is looking pretty dope. Now we're gonna install this. Let you guys see this part right here. Then we can have our screw. We can install this part and it will look something like this, as you can see. Alright guys, so one of the things that I love about this material right here, it basically made from, you can feel like it is paper but it is hard plastic, I want to say. So it basically waterproof, so if you spit any water in here, you can use a cloth to basically wipe it off and it's good to go again. And this can basically serve a long while. Each of one of these come with two colors. So we have one color right here on the back, and on this side you can see we have a different color which comes on this side right here. So I'm going to run through right now and show you guys all the colors that come inside this package. Alright guys, so there you have it. These are all the colors that come inside. I'm gonna install it right now on the tripod right here to show you guys basically how it look on the tripod in a few. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use the purple color right here, as you can see. So basically, to use this right here, what we're going to do, we're going to pin it onto this right here. So we can put it like this. Put this part to the front. We can clip it onto right here with this clamp. So we're gonna use this part right here to clamp it on. Then what you can do, you can use like a tape or anything to basically tape down this part right here, so you can put any product onto this part that you want to shoot any photography of. Or if you like me, we're doing product review, you can put it flat on the table to basically give it a great decent background if you want to use it in that way. So we can use it flat, or we can use it like this to put some product on there, get some product shot, and it's looking pretty great. So guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you find this video very helpful.